Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So we're back with our little begonia seedlings here. This is the San Francisco, right here, and the light is making them look pale. I'm sorry about that, it's the way the camera's picking it up. They're actually not pale. Let's see if I can just pick one up here quick. There we go. And this is the Santa Barbaras over here. And I've been working with trying to keep this allergy off of these. Scraping it off with the toothpick. And I have some more to do. And again, they're not this pale. There you go. Just the way the light's hitting them. I apologize for that. So, we started these on December the 9th. And they came up on December the 18th. And we opened the box for the first time when the little seedlings came up on the 22nd. And then probably about on the 24th, we started opening the box up more and letting the seedlings get some fresh air. And then on the 26th, we moved them to under the lights. And they were starting to get their true leaves. So on the 27th, we started feeding them. And today is January the 3rd, 2018. Yeah, we're in 2018. I don't know where 2017 went, but we're in 2018 now. And we're going to feed these again because their week is up to be fed. And on the Santa Barbara, yes, we have this one right here where it is starting to get its true leaf. That little teeny curl coming out there at the base of the bigger leaf is our next little true leaf. So we're going to feed these today again. Our soil is nice and moist. I've already made sure of that. And our plant food is nice and warm at room temperature. And the San Francisco, there's one right here. It's starting to get its true leaf right there. So we're just going to feed these again with an eyedropper. Okay, so I got my eyedropper here. It has plant food in it. And we do about 2 drops. You can do 3. Just do your best. And we'll just keep going on then until all these are fed. So as soon as I get all these fed here, I will come back on the video and I'll tell you a little bit more. If you want to know how to mix the plant food, I will put a link down below for that particular video that will tell you how I mix my plant food, these little begonias, and all that. So we'll be right back. Okay, so we're back, and I got all the begonia seedlings fed. And I actually dripped a little bit of the plant food on top, so I took a drop of fresh water and just dripped over it so that we don't hurt anything. And I'm just drying the leaves off here a little bit, letting the paper towel just soak up the excess off of the leaf. And sometimes your begonia seedlings, certain varieties seem to grow faster than others. So sometimes you kind of think you hit like a standstill where it's like they're not really growing too much. But I believe that, you know, they're establishing their root system when that happens. And that's what you want. You want a good healthy root system on your plants because that's what feeds your plants. So I just wanted to put a little note in there of that sometimes they do just seem to hit like a slowdown period where they're just establishing themselves. Now that's not always true. It really depends on the variety. And I've grown the Santa Cruz Sunset one. I've grown the non-stops. I've grown the illuminations. And, you know, sometimes that just happens where it's like they just kind of sit there for a little bit and then all of a sudden they just take off growing. So getting them the nutrients that they need, even though this is a light strength food, is very important. And so as these continue to grow, I will continue to do more videos for you. And if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave it below. And I hope you have a nice day. And I'm going to put these back under their lights. So, bye.